Have you ever found yourself in a situation where your Nissan radio asks for a code and you have no idea what it is? Don't worry, you're not alone. Today, I will show you how to easily retrieve your Nissan Radio Code through our online service so you can quickly get back to enjoying your favorite tunes. Let's dive in. This service works for any Nissan radio asking for a code, the most popular being touch and connect navigation, Nissan Daewoo, Blaupunkt, Clarion. If your radio is different, don't worry, you can still get the code. So, to calculate the code, we only need the information from our radio, which we can find depending on the model. Suppose you have the touch and connect navigation or the Daewoo model. In that case, we can display the required information on the screen by entering the wrong code, 1111 3 times, so that the radio will be locked for 60 minutes while displaying the information on the screen. Please take a photo of this info. Example of what are you going to see? If you have any other radio model, you must remove the unit partially until you can see the label attached to the side. You can see the serial number above or below the barcode. Here are some examples of what you're going to find. Now that we have the radio info, it is time to generate the activation code. To do so, visit radiocodify.com/Nissan-radio-code, see the link in the description. Press the Get Radio Code button and enter your radio info in the form. Please verify the information you entered twice and press the search button. If the information provided is correct, you will see your radio details. Pay the unlocking fee using your preferred payment method. We assure you of the correct code. If, for any reason, your radio continues to be locked, you will receive your money back. We invite you to clear up your doubts by visiting our Trustpilot profile, where we are rated 4.6 out of 5 based on more than 2,400 reviews. Once the payment is completed, your code displays on the screen. All that's left to do is enter it into your radio. Depending on your Nissan model, you may need to turn on the ignition or start the engine to access the input screen. Enter the code you received from the website using your radio's preset buttons. Once you've entered the entire code, press the OK or Enter button on your radio. Please get in touch with us if you have any problems with the code you received. We're on live chat daily from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. And just like that, your Nissan radio is now unlocked and ready to use. Remember, if you ever need the code again, you can refer to the website where you initially retrieved it. It's that simple.